All right, super hot. First time in a while I've used the air conditioning on the way home from work. Ton of water was falling here, hit me in the right foot. Still some water pooled there. The carpet under there is soaked. The same thing was happening on the passenger side. I figured the evaporator drain was clogged, so I just came in the passenger wheel well and I took my coat hanger wire snake and stuck it in there. So I pulled this elbow off of the evaporator drain, which can be found in the passenger wheel well on the firewall right up there. It just sits on that, and I stuck the snake coat hanger, whatever, screwdriver, whatever you got in there, and a ton of water poured out. And you can see from what's on the ground here that it's a ton of water. It's run all the way this far away. There's a lot of water trapped in there. So if you're having this issue, just stick something in that drain. That's likely the culprit.